Today we're gonna make a traditional lobster roll with butter and chives using a plain bread cone. We're gonna get started with our lobster roll. So we're gonna go to the stove. I have fresh lobster meat, some chives, and butter. Simple, easy. Let's go to the stove and make it. So we're gonna add some butter, melt that. Once our butter has melted, I have fresh here knuckle and claw lobster meat. I'm not gonna chop it up because it looks great in the cone. So I'm gonna just add this lobster meat right to our butter. And if you're making this at home or you have a restaurant, this is so easy because you can have this pre-made on your stove and then you can make this to order. So now I have our butter and our lobster cooked and ready to fill our cone. So we're using the plain cone today. Again, look at this. This creative cone has absolutely no waste and no mess. So we're gonna take the cone here and I'm gonna add a little bit of our chopped chives right to our mixture. And then I'm gonna put this into the cone. Look at this. A new, different take on the traditional lobster roll. Amazing. And then I'm gonna put a little chives on top. Look at that, delicious. Can't wait to dig into this one. Now, if you wanted to offer this at a party, for example, if you were doing catering, then you could also do these little small cones. This would be perfect. You could do a catering display table where you had some smaller appetizers. You could even pass these. Or if you had a party at your house, you can order these. And we would put the lobster meat with the butter. Oh my goodness, who doesn't love butter and bread? So good. Chives, amazing.